family? It's your man Matt DV. We are here in Montclair, New Jersey, right up above Bloomfield, which is above Newark, New Jersey. And we are here at Sweet Teas, man. We heard a lot about this place. We're gonna go in. I've been having some phone issues, man. I don't know what's going on, if it's the gimbal, if it's the phone, but we're gonna go in here and try this review. Also, I heard they had music in here playing, so you know, we're gonna try to make it a good video, man. If it's a good video, y'all let me know what y'all thought. And that'll be it, man. Once again, Matt TV going into Sweet Teas. What's going on, fam? Look, they brought out the cornbread first. Y'all see it? Looks delicious. Look, I got a fork, right? I have a fork and a knife, but we got this cornbread. This cornbread feels heavy. It really feels heavy and it feels moist. Let's taste the cornbread first. Cornbread just fell apart, but it is definitely corny cornbread. Next thing we're gonna go into is the catfish. Let's check this out. I'm gonna just pick up a piece of catfish. This is a fancy restaurant, but look, I just got a bite off of this catfish. The catfish tastes fresh. It's fresh fried, very hot. The batter on it tastes delicious, and I don't even have any hot sauce. That is pretty good. The next thing we're gonna do is go into the greens, y'all. Right, it's some type of meat here. It looks like turkey that's in the greens. I know they advertise that they do not serve pork here. These are the greens right here. These are collard greens, right? I taste a hint of sweetness. I taste the, I believe that is turkey neck. Some type of turkey meat in here. The greens they're really good. Are they the best collard greens I've had? I would say no, but definitely worth a stop by here. There's that meat right there. Check it out.
Yeah. You have that.
Let me dig into the greens some more, because I said they're not the best. That is not a bad review. These are good greens. They're real greens, y'all. They definitely aren't canned greens. These are homemade greens. Okay, let's go into the macaroni and cheese, y'all. All right, macaroni and cheese is really cheesy, y'all. See that right there? Macaroni and cheese is cheesy. Cheese is hanging off the macaroni and cheese. The macaroni and cheese is banging. You can definitely taste that there's several cheeses in here. I always look for mild and sharp because that's the way my grandmother used to make it, with mild and sharp. But in here, you can taste that there's different cheeses. There's butters. You can taste a little egg. It's delicious. Out of the catfish, I would say the macaroni cheese is number one. Look how cheesy it is. Wow, they did their job on the macaroni and cheese, y'all. Wow. It has that beautiful macaroni and cheese texture too. I think it's only the texture you get when you bake the macaroni and cheese. Y'all come out just for the macaroni and cheese alone. Tell me if I'm right or wrong. Sorry I had to come to y'all vertical today. When I say vertical, the video's up and down. Something's going on with my gimbal. Time to get new equipment. So make sure you like and subscribe. And also shout out to our patrons. You can become a patron if you like. You get extra perks by subscribing and becoming a patron at patreon.com/mattdvwilliams right here. Happy Soul Food Month, y'all. We're out here, Montclair, at Sweet Teas restaurant. It's Matt DV. See you guys at the next one. If nobody told you they love you today, you are hanging with the wrong people. Peace. We leaving that, y'all. I didn't really like the cornbread.